I first heard of Apex Tutors on the Spark Schools Parents Facebook group. My girls were still at Spark Schools at the time, and I decided to enroll them for tutoring with Apex Tutors because the reviews were very good on Facebook. What I find different and unique about Apex Tutoring is the personal touch. I've now got a daughter in grade 7 and one in grade 5, and the tutors play to, number one, their strengths, number two, the grade level that they're being taught and the content that is being taught, and so each girl has got a different experience that plays to their strengths. Another thing that I find to be quite different about Apex Tutors is they do go the extra mile. So the lessons are normally virtual, but when it comes time for exam time, the tutor will actually come to my house and spend the day with the girls and preparing them for the next day for the exam. So I found that personal touch very impressive, and it really helped my girls' marks to improve, particularly in maths. I would definitely recommend Apex Tutoring to my friends and to family. My girls are now in their 4th year with Apex Tutoring. They've even changed schools, and yet the tutoring still remains relevant. So it's not tailored to one particular school or one particular type of learning. And we've been with them for 4 years now, and I intend to keep my girls with Apex Tutoring for the rest of their schooling career. So I'd really recommend Apex Tutoring to any family who wants their children's marks to improve, particularly in maths.